Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 9, Part B, A is the point, 3 minus 1. Vector AB is 2 minus 4. The length of AB is k square root 5. Find the value of k. In this question, we are given with point A, 3 minus 1, which can be written in vector form too. Vector AB, 2 minus 4, and length or magnitude of vector AB in terms of k, which is k square root 5, or simply we can say k root 5. To solve this question, we shall have to calculate the actual magnitude or length of vector AB. The formula to calculate the length of a vector is square root of x square plus y square, where x represents x coordinate and y represents y coordinate of vector. Let's substitute values in this formula. So length of vector AB equals square root of 2 square plus negative 4 square. Further solving it, it will be square root of 4 plus 16, which equals square root of 20. Now 20 can also be written as 4 multiplied 5, so we can write it as square root of 4 multiplied 5, which is equivalent to square root of 4 multiplied square root of 5. As square root of 4 is 2, so we can write it as 2 square root 5. Now let's substitute it in the initial equation where length of vector AB is k square root 5. So 2 square root 5 equals k square root 5. Removing square root 5 from both the sides, k is identified as 2, which is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.